Hello, dear children, good morning. Today I am going to continue the explanation part of the lesson 5, the plateau and desert regions. We have learned southern plateau, location and extent, right? And in today's class, we are going to learn the central highlands. The central highlands, the Malwa Plateau, Malwa, the Malwa Plateau in central India, and the Chotanuba Plateau. This is in the east, together make the central island. So, these Malwa Plateau in central India and the Chotanuba Plateau in the east, these two together make the central highlands. It is bordered by Aravallis in the northwest, Vindhyas in the south, Chotanagpur Plateau in the east, and Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. So, these central highlands are bordered by Aravallis in the northwest, Vindhyas in the south side, Chotanagpur Plateau in the east, and Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. The Malwa Plateau lies in the center. So, this Malwa Plateau lies in the center. It is bordered by Aravallis in the northwest and Vindhyas Hills in the south. This Malwa Plateau is bordered by Aravallis and the Vindhya Hills. Rivers originating in the central highlands are Chambal, Betwa, and Son. They join Ganga and Yamuna flowing northwards. Narmada and Tapi originate in the Vindhyas and flow westwards. So, these Narmada and Tapi rivers originate in the Vindhya and they flow towards westwards. The Chotanagpur Plateau covers the states of Jharkhand, northeastern Chhattisgarh, and northern Odisha. So, this Chotanagpur Plateau covers the states like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Odisha. The fine black soil in the Malwa Plateau region is suitable for the growth of cotton and oilseeds. So, this fine soil, this is the black soil in the Malwa Plateau region, and it is suitable for the growth of cotton and oilseeds. Next comes the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. This Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. It extends from river Narmada to the southern tip of peninsular India. So, this Deccan Plateau extends from the river Narmada to the southern tip of peninsular India. What is peninsular India? Covered with three bodies, we call it as peninsular, right? It is bounded by the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats on the western and eastern coasts respectively. Western Ghats include the Nilgiri Hills, the Annamalai Hills, and the Cardamom Hills. So, Western Ghats includes Nilgiri Hills, the Annamalai Hills, and the Cardamom Hills. The hills of the Western Ghats are comparatively higher than that of the. So, these Western Ghats are higher when comparable with the Eastern Ghats. Both the Ghats join each other at the Nilgiri Hills. These two Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats join together at the Nilgiri Hills. Next comes rivers. The rivers in this region are seasonal as they depend on rain for water. So these rivers depend on rain for water and these are seasonal. Mahanandi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri are the main rivers originating in this region. These rivers rise in the west and flow eastwards, where they eventually empty into the Bay of Bengal. Godavari, so these rivers rise in the west and flow towards eastwards, where they go and join into the Bay of Bengal. Godavari is the longest river of the Deccan Plateau region. Godavari is the longest river of this plateau region. Narmada and Tapi are the only major rivers that flow from east to west into the Arabian Sea. These Narmada and Tapi rivers will flow from east to west and they goes to the Arabian Sea. These rivers form several waterfalls in their course because of the uneven land. Because of this uneven land, these rivers form several waterfalls. The Jog Falls, this we can see in this picture. This is the Jog Falls. We can see the uneven land here. The Jog Falls on the river Sharavati in Karnataka is among the highest plung waterfalls in our country. This is the highest plung waterfalls in our country. Jog Falls. Okay. Large dams are constructed across the Deccan rivers to store water. So, in order to store water across the Deccan rivers, they construct large dams. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam across the Krishna River is one such example. Here they are giving the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam across the Krishna River is also one of the example for the large dams which are constructed to store water across the Deccan rivers. So we will continue the remaining part in our next class once goes through the today's class. Okay children, bye, thank you.